Welcome back everybody to this new video of the Tech Express. Today I'm going to show you how to get started and create a professional newsletter from scratch. So whether you are looking to update your subscribers or to engage with new ones. So this helps you walk through every step. So first of all, what you do is to sign directly into Mailchimp. Just in case you haven't claimed a free account, you have the link down below in the description to get started totally for free. So Mailchimp is a powerful email marketing tool that helps you design, send and manage newsletter and other email campaigns. So it's a user-friendly and perfect for businesses of all the sizes. So signing up for the Mailchimp is the very first step. If you don't have an account, once again, you'll have the link down below in the description. So visit the Mailchimp website, create an account and sign up totally for free. Once you have created your account, this is the part where you want to set up your Mailchimp account. So you can enter your business name, address and other relevant details inside your upper side into the right side, or go directly into your account. I'm going to scroll all the way down, go for profile and fill as much information as I can, speaking about my business company or my branding or whatever. So once I filled all the information there, what I can do now is to configure my email settings. I can set my default email addresses, reply to addresses, auto preferences, all of those directly into the settings section, user security, contact information, manage my data and much more. Now, to get started in creating my very first newsletter, now that I have like a basic information of my account here into Mailchimp, let's focus into start create here into the upper side. Now, inside create, what you want to do is to look out for the actual section that says email and choose the option that says template. Now, the template can be helping me to do stuff totally for free with pre-designed elements. I don't have to focus a lot into the design, more about the content that is inside the content. Now let's go here for the email purpose and I go for newsletter, so I can showcase newsletter that I can use for it. Now into this style, you can just select whatever and enable the ones that are free templates, so you don't have to focus a lot into what matters the most. In this case, let's go for the industry, arts and entertainment. I clear all of them and I go for newsletter. Once again, free templates only. Once you have selected one template, then what we want to do is to select one of them and go for apply. Now this is the part where I want to name my template, so let's go for newsletter example number 1. Saved it. Now here I do have this new element of designing my email. So as you can see, we have a pre-element already been added by default, since we already have added our logo, everything about our stores, the copyright and much more. So this is the part where you want to organize everything about your newsletter. Now speaking about the newsletter, what you can do is to now edit the content. So edit the text blocks to edit your content, customize your fonts, the colors and the layout as needed. So insert, merge tags to personalize your newsletter with subscriber names or all the details. So you can replace your logo if you don't have uploaded one of them. Select your logo, add it and go for insert. Automatically should be added into your newsletter. So I'm going to go for it's time to design your email. Let's go for news and I can add much more stuff. I'm going to go for done and I can add much more content. For example, let's go for another header. Now that I have added my newsletter, I have added everything about my newsletter. Then what I can do is to focus in preview and test my newsletter. So what I'm going to be doing here is to make sure that everything looks correctly. You focus into save and exit and you can preview your newsletter. So you can of course select your newsletter, go for this section that says preview. So this how it should be looking in a computer and this how it should be looking in a phone. So as you can see, I think there's a lot of things that we can try to make this a little bit much more smaller, for example the text, and I think that will be actually it. So make sure everything looks correctly before sending your newsletter into somebody else. So once you have done this process, I'm going to click into closed and then you can just select your element and of course create an actual template to create an email. So now that you have the template already been created, you can start creating emails and sending them directly into your newsletter. So review your campaign settings, make sure everything looks correctly, click send and schedule, and you're actually good to go. After sending your newsletter, you can track its performance. Let's go back into exit. You can check out directly here into the analytics and check out the marketing dashboard. So use the data to assess the effectiveness of your campaign and make improvements for the future newsletter. So that is it, guys. You have now know how to create a newsletter on the Mailchimp, from setting up your account, designing, sending, and finalizing campaign. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials from TechExpress. Thank you once again for watching the video. Hopefully, we can see you next time.